Google's FLOC will replace third-party cookies. Google has developed FLOC within its Privacy Sandbox to replace third-party cookies in the Chrome browser. According to Google, it has shown 95% as effective as third-party cookies. FLOC stands for Federated Learning of Cohorts and enables ad targeting based on general user interests for large groups of people called cohorts. Data from the Chrome browser regarding which sites users visit are fed into machine learning algorithms within Chrome, after which users are placed within specific cohorts. Advertisers can then use interest-based targeting to reach users within these cohorts. Within this solution, individual user data never leaves the Chrome browser. FLOC can't solve all the issues of a cookieless future. Measurement, fraud prevention, and remarketing that uses third-party cookies can't be solved by FLOC. Additional solutions are being developed to solve these issues. FLOC will be rolled out to a broader audience in March for further testing. There is no doubt that it will play a massive role in the future of digital advertising.
That concludes our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on our latest videos. See you next time!